Do a short video to show you how to fit the stainless steel side tubes on the Mitsubishi L200. Okay, so it's a polished stainless steel tube and it fits, and you've got two brackets. It's specially made for the Mitsubishi L200. It's got nice little turns in each end of the bar, and we'll show you it when it's fitted. So on each side you've got two chassis clamps, okay? So these are the bits you've got in the chassis clamp. You've got this L-shaped section, a flat section, and then some long bolts with the corresponding washers. So basically you line it up on the truck where you want, and then underneath you'll see you've got this square section chassis. And what we're going to do is the one bar is going to go on the far side, up behind, and then we're going to put the bolts through and clamp. It's going to clamp onto the chassis, and we're going to clamp the front section on like that. So what I'll do is I'll actually put one on now and show you how that works. Okay, so you can see now we're underneath the car, and this is the main chassis. Okay, the bolt goes through one side, through across, and basically clamps these two together. Okay, so that's the top bolt in, and then if you put the bottom bolt in, come through and clamp these together, that will give you then a fixed secure point here. And then on the end of the sidebar you've got these two holes. You can see if I'll put my hand behind. Now these two holes will go up and clamp on these two screws here. Okay, so I'll do that bit and show you that. Okay, so we've just done the rear one now. Okay, and again we've got the bracket, the flat bracket on the inside of the car, the L shape outside, and then we've got this slot here where we're going to mount the bar onto. One thing to note, if on the inside you've got any cables or pipes running, make sure that the bracket is between the chassis and the pipe so that it doesn't clamp and squash any pipe work there. Okay, so now we've got that, we're ready to offer up the steps and we'll bolt those on. Okay, so we've bolted the sidebar up here, so you can see there's the outrigger coming from the sidebar. It's mounted to this plate, and then the plate, you've just got these clamp brackets around the back of the chassis. That's the same front and rear, and I'll just show you what the final bar looks like. You've got some adjustment in the position of the bar, but you can see that's the final item fitted on the truck there. Quite an easy job to fit that one.